Hi, I'm Pam and this is Leo and Harlem. Welcome to Youthful Repairs, where we focus on all the wonderful skilled trades available to you right out of high school. Parents, did you know the United States is going through a great labor shortage within the skilled trades industry? Studies have shown that 85% of contractors are having trouble finding skilled workers. And over 500,000 new skilled trades workers are needed in 2023. Parents, while you might be encouraging your kid to go to college, there's another option you may not have considered: promising careers in the skilled trades. Today's trade people are using technology in ways we never would have dreamed of. They're making great money and establishing lifelong careers. Here are 10 reasons why you should encourage your middle to high school to enter the skilled trades after graduation.
Hi, I'm Leo. Parents, trade school is less expensive. While the average price of college is nearly $10,000 per year in the US for tuition alone, trade school is just $5,000 to $15,000 total for a certificate of completion or trade diploma. College tuition doesn't factor in extras such as housing and textbooks. Trade school is short enough that students don't typically require long-term housing.
Hi, I'm Harlem. Parents, they can start working quickly. Most students finish trade school in as little as 12 to 18 months, and in between apprenticeship levels, they engage in paid-on-the-job training. After a few weeks in school, your teen could be earning money while gaining valuable work experience.
Parents, the money is good. While the average pay for skilled tradespeople varies depending on their experience and skill level, the trades usually offer a fantastic starting salary and a high income. Most skilled trades work comes with benefit packages. In addition to the excellent pay, most skilled tradespeople in the construction industry receive benefits with their compensation packages.
Parents, feel a sense of accomplishment every day. Encouraging your child to get into a trade means encouraging them to invest in a career that allows them to feel a sense of accomplishment each day and see tangible results of a job well done.
Parents, the sky's the limit when it comes to job growth. Entering a skilled trade means committing to several levels of an apprenticeship before becoming a licensed journey person. That means that as soon as your child starts their career, they're in line for several promotions and pay raises, provided they complete their schooling and work experience at each apprenticeship level. Once they become a journey person, there are still plenty of growth opportunities.
Parents, there's room for everyone in the skilled trades. The skilled trades have plenty of opportunities for women, men, and minorities looking for long-term work. In fact, by 2028, it's predicted that there will be more than 3 million job openings in the skilled trades.
Parents can help choose a job they love. There are plenty of choices when it comes to working in the skilled trades. From construction workers to painters to welders, there's a job for just about every interest and skill level.
Parents should know they'll receive safety training. Skilled trades may sound like a dangerous career, but in most cases, workers receive continuous safety training and certifications to ensure that they're working safely and within their industry's regulations.
Some skilled trades are close to recession-proof. Utilities like electricity and plumbing aren't going anywhere anytime soon, and even in a substantial economic downturn, there's always demand for skilled laborers who can work in these specialty areas. For the past several decades, the push has been toward driving graduating high school students toward traditional colleges and universities. That's left a big hole in the workforce, with employers experiencing difficulty recruiting young people. Youthful Repairs is working on solutions. Please stay tuned. Good.
Bye.